So I find that way of doing Alexa stop. I find that way of doing balancing equations really dull and boring, and it makes the whole subject dull and boring. And it's more like kind of thinking about it. And what I mean by that is when I look at this, I've got one carbon there, and I'm expecting one carbon here, so one CO2. I'm happy with that, and I'm really thinking about what's going on. That is H. These H's have to be capital because it's hydrogen, the element. If it's lithium, sorry, not lithium, something with a H as the second letter. I'm trying to think of one. It's not coming to me. Right, so that's your first mistake. That's annoying. I'd knock a mark off. That isn't being annoying. It is the standard way in which we write the elements. Does that make sense? So that's got to be a H, capital H to start with. The other thing is when I look at it, I've got one carbon, I've got 4 hydrogens. For me, I know, and in my head, water has 2 hydrogens in it as a molecule, but I've got 4 hydrogens there. So what I'm going to do is put a big 2 there. So now I've got 4 hydrogens. At this point now, so whenever you're doing this, a hydrocarbon, whenever you're doing hydrocarbons, always do your carbon dioxides and your waters first. And then you look at the number of oxygens. I've got 2 oxygens here and 2 oxygens there. So I've got 4 oxygens in total. I don't write O equals because I'm only dealing with oxygens. I need 4 oxygens on the right hand side. I must have 4 oxygens on my left hand side. I'll pop a big 2 there. I'm happy. Done. That's the way you need to think about it. Not this laying out thing that, they show you on YouTube and things like that. Is that okay? I'm assuming that's a yes.
Yes, that is a yes.
Good.